Can't say because it is blue, it is blue.
Because of the property of the rainbows or something, the Vibgyor property.
Oh my god.
It's space.
The atmosphere around the earth.
The color of the water.
Oh, is it the other way around? Shit.
I can't say why the ocean is blue.
Water is blue because of the mixture of hydrogen and oxygen.
Probably because they're fish. It's nature, actually. So that's the way it is.
Got to ask you some easier questions. He's going to get back home and say Popsy doesn't know anything.
Oxygen. Nitrogen.
Helium.
Hydrogen.
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 Helium.
Count quickly. Mercury.
What is it?
Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune. Again, you say Neptune.
I think the seventh planet has been removed.
Saturn.
Saturn.
So we have only 6 planets.
Pluto?
Oh, you want me to go to a galaxy? I don't remember, I'm sorry.